Gotta love the music in the background. Yes, indeed. Alright. So this is going to be the finale of today's cooking. This one's going to be dinner time. And what I have here is, of course, this power air fryer oven is also a rotisserie. And what I have here is some turkey, Genio turkey tenderloin, turkey breast. So I got them wrapped here, got some skewers going through. So we're going to unwrap this. It's been in the fridge for a few hours, just marinating, collecting all of its seasonings. Covered it up so there's no air getting to it. Almost like unwrapping a Christmas present. I'm going to take this off. And I like the skewers on here, man. This thing's all secure, so you ain't gotta worry about it slipping out, doing no craziness. Look at that. Alright. Simple. Again, so I have this, some turkey breast, Genio turkey breast seasoned, I think this is applewood. Got it up there on the skewers. So I'll put that in here in the power oven. You're going to put this in on the left hand side so it can connect into the rotisserie, and the other side is going to go into the latch. They give you this so it can make it easier for you to insert it in. So this in. That one, we'll just use your hand. And it's going to fall into place. If you come over to this side here, as you can see inside here, so I'm sitting on the slots over here. Let me lower it down just a little bit here so you guys can see exactly. Alright. So, we'll close this up. Get the power. And for rotisserie, you click on this guy here, so I'm actually hit the 400. I'll do it for 35 minutes. As it starts to get ready to kick in, rotisserie is starting to spin. I have a light on here. And I have foil on the bottom of the base so that all the oil or whatever fat will drip down. And it's in there for cooking, and I'll just take it out in about 35 minutes. I'm not going to flip it or anything. It is simply on rotisserie, and should be good. I'm also going to be using a power pressure cooker for my rice, and I'm going to have some veggies on the side. So I got some Genio turkey breast tenderloins in there. 35 minutes on the 400 on a rotisserie, and this should be real good. I'll put y'all to the power pressure cooker in a little while. Alright? See ya. As you see, it's still rotisserie. Got about 16 minutes left on there. And it's starting to get golden brown in a little bit. Love what I'm seeing so far. Alright, see y'all in the finale. Peace. Alright, peeps. So what I did instead of 30 minutes, I did probably about 25 minutes. It's getting golden brown, doing its work. So it's doing some good stuff here. So it's about to turn off in a second. Still on the 400. Got my meat thermometer here. Of course, for well done and stuff like that. I love this thermometer because it has get some stuff here about how well done your food should be, if you like it well done, medium rare, or rare. Has the significant stuff back here. So he's about to turn off in a second. Stick this in. Of course, for well done, it's got to be 175 or more. So I should get that out in 1 second, and we'll see where we at. Turn on. Again, you didn't have to wait.
Oh my God, I can't. These people have fun, I'm telling you.
So, again, pull this off for the doors because it's very hot. And
take it out on the rosemary, that's what they say. Last time I dealt with grilled chicken, it was a disaster.
I'll put you on here, that's fine. Get this guy here, stick it in. Lift it up because it's going to be super hot. Actually, I'm not going to do that. Bear with me for 1 second. Alright. So, we'll get the tongs here. And we'll slide it out. Smells delicious. Sticking it in. See? 187. Well done, baby. Also has a backlight so you can see. 190.
Oh, we're drinking.
Good deal. Good deal. So turkey is done. Look in here, folks. Remember them? No oil dripping down, no nothing. Roasted turkey breast tenderloin. Come on now. You can't get no better than that. Rotisserie. It's already seasoned, marinated well. Take it off the skewers, slice this up. Now I'm going to take it over to the power pressure cooker, do my rice, have some side of vegetables. Yo, healthy eating, baby. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to do an extra one. I did have one piece left of the Genio savory roast one. So I am going to put this on this rack here instead of doing it on the rotisserie style. Again, just laying it up here. I sprayed it with some oil, and again, you can do it just like this instead of putting it on a rotisserie, having to spin it around because it's going around and air is just going all the way around. Just this item in here. Put this in. Booyaka, baby. And instead of doing that, we're just gonna do chicken. Put it on the chicken. Doing it up for the 400 still, instead of it going around on the rotisserie, because we're not using this rotisserie thing. We'll just go down 25 minutes. Do it up, baby. Alright, peeps, so I'm back, and what I'm going to be doing here is finale in a power pressure cooker. I am going to be using some my rice here with some pigeon peas. I love this stuff here, and just topping this off with some chicken broth. I'm having turkey, but to have the rice tasting a little bit like some chicken is real good. So this is a real simple recipe here. Again, not much that you're adding to it. Just a little bit of oil, probably about a tablespoon. Use about that. And rice. I put a couple in there because, you know, family of 4, so. And you're not using no crazy calories on it. You know, dishing out your serving, once you're making it to the point where everyone's eating. So I add the broth because it's better to me to, I'll add a little bit of water. Just enough to really coat the rice. And I'll just put a half of it was a half a box of it. Half a box in here. So this is 32 ounces. So I'll put about 32 ounces of liquid in here. Half of chicken broth and half of regular water. And excuse the fork, but I'm just gonna do a quick stir. That's all I need in here. I did beef and stuff in here. I'll be tossing that in later. Nothing major, no biggie. So, putting the lid on, putting it on here so it build up the pressure. And on the pressure cooker, going to be hitting the rice, hitting the 25 minutes, and that's all she wrote on that. And the finished product will be done in 25 minutes once it builds up its pressure. I'll release it. You'll see how good and flaky the rice is. And all I'm doing now is getting ready to do the finale, which is my vegetables that I got put in a pot right on the stove real quick and steam that down, and it's all gravy. Turkey breast, rice, peas, and some vegetables. Way to eat, baby. All right, see you guys soon. All right, so how this is going to work now. You're going to hear like a little pin if you can. There's a lot of noise in the background. I got some stuff going on. But once that releases, I'll force it out. Hold up the tab here. It's not that hot. So that's the release. Able to turn it. Once that steam is trying to be released, you cannot turn it until the pressure is built up. And rice and beans. Look at that. Come on, man. Are you serious? Not sticking. Scoop right up in there. Flavorful. So I'm gonna dish this up, plate it up in a little bit. Finish putting this in a bowl. I got some vegetables I'm working on over here that's being steamed, and that's gonna be dinner, guys. So I got turkey breast over here. These guys here, it's gonna taste phenomenal. I got some rice and beans, and I got some steamed veggies coming, and that's gonna be completing this dinner. Power pressure cooker, power air fryer, oven. Let's do it. Come on, y'all. Peace. And that's complete product, folks. Got my steamed veggies, got my rice and beans, my rice and peas, pigeon peas at that, and rotisserie turkey breast. Just waiting for me to devour it and just get into it. So I'm gonna cut this out and be all nice and ready to go, you know. This is some good eating, y'all, so remember, enjoy, all right? All right, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.